Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend you watch the last video where we talked about the history of Hawaii. Now let's test what you've learned. Let's begin. Was Hawaii originally an independent kingdom? Yes, it was a sovereign nation. Did King Kamehameha the first unite all the Hawaiian Islands? Yes, he united them into one kingdom in 1810. Was Hawaii annexed by Britain? No, it was annexed by the United States. Did Queen Liliuokalani continue ruling after 1900? No, she was overthrown in 1893. Was sugar an important industry in Hawaii? Yes, sugar plantations played a big role in its economy. Did Hawaii become the 49th state? No, it became the 50th state. Was the annexation of Hawaii without controversy? No, it was a controversial and painful event for Native Hawaiians. Is the concept of aloha important in Hawaiian culture? Yes, it symbolizes love, peace, and compassion. Was Hawaii annexed during the Spanish-American War? Yes, the U.S. saw Hawaii's strategic value during that time. Is Hawaii known only for tourism today? No, it's also known for its rich culture and traditions. Watch this feedback video several times to reinforce your learning. And don't forget to subscribe so you can continue this amazing journey through English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.